Seizure. What is seizure? A seizure is sudden, transient brain dysfunction manifested by involuntary motor, sensory, and autonomic or psychic phenomena, alone or in combination, often accompanied by loss of consciousness. Febrile convulsion. What is febrile convulsion? It is defined as seizure during fever between 6 months to 5 years of age in absence of intracranial infection. What are the criteria of febrile convulsion? The criteria are age and sex. Age is between 6 months to 5 years with a peak age around 14 to 18 months. There may be a positive family history which occurs in 50% of cases. Seizures is usually once in 24 hours, last from mostly generalized. It lasts from few seconds to few minutes but do not exceed 15 minutes. Usually there is only one seizure attack at each episode and rarely two. There is no residual neurodeficit present. The signs of meningitis, such as bulge frontally, stiff neck, stupor, and irritability, is absent. Then, in 90% of cases, the febrile convulsion is due to viral infection. The common infections are pharyngitis, otitis media, pneumonia, and urinary tract infection. Recurrence occurs in 50% of children under 1 year of age and 30% in other situations. The frequency of recurrence decreases after 5 years of age. EEG done within a week of after a febrile convulsion may be abnormal. After EEG done within a week after febrile convulsion may be abnormal, but after a week it usually shows no abnormality. Investigation. Diagnosis is mainly based on clinical findings and some relevant investigation to exclude other differential diagnosis. We have to do CSF study to rule out meningitis. The indications of CSF study is if there is any doubt of meningitis or encephalitis, if first attack is at less than 12 months of age 12 to 18 months, associated with complex seizure or altered sensation. Complex seizure means the seizure is more than 15 minutes in duration, and if recovery is slow or undue prolongation of post-ictal state, we have to do CSF study. Other investigations to find out the cause of fever are random blood sugar, serum calcium, serum electrolyte, blood for total count, differential count of white blood cell, and ESR. Then blood culture has to be done, throat swab and culture sensitivity, chest x-ray, and urine routine microscopic examination are also done. Then treatment options are treatment of acute episode is done by counseling the parents about the nature and future of the disease. Then we have to maintain the airway, breathing, and circulation. We have to stop seizure by either diazepam 0.5 mg per kg per rectal or 0.2 or 0.3 mg per kg slow IV, or midazolam 0.2 mg per kg smeared on buccal mucosa or instilled intranasally. Then we have to reduce the body temperature by paracetamol 15 milligram per kg per dose, and uh, uh, orally or parectally per 6 hours. Then tepid water sponging should also be done. Then treatment of associated complications by appropriate antibiotic like amoxicillin, cefaridine, etc. To prevent the recurrence of the disease, we have to reduce the body temperature by adequate dose of paracetamol and tepid sponging. Then intermediate prophylaxis should be done with either oral diazepam 0.5 to 1 milligram per kg in 3 divided dose for 48 to 72 hours, or oral clobazam 1 ml per kg per day as single or twice daily dose for 42 to 70 48 to 72 hours. Then continuous prophylaxis may be done if number of seizures are more than 6 per year despite intermittent prophylaxis.